Good morning, YouTubers. We're on day 3 of the build. We've been here 5 days, but it's day 3. And again, we've been hampered by the weather. This year is a complete soggy mess. Very unusual weather. So it was supposed to be dry today, and then I looked this morning and it's very, very cloudy and it's looking like rain yet again, which makes it difficult because I'm using electric tools, and obviously I don't want to get them wet and electrify myself or get them rusty or whatever. So doing my best today anyway, see how far we can get on. We've got a good bit done yesterday, and so today we've got hopefully I'll turn around now and show you where I'm at. So continuing on from the last video where I was showing you this, what have I got to do today? What I've got to do today is get that bit finished off, hopefully, and then I want to start. I've got a piece to put in there. There's a few odd ones there because obviously this is now going into walls, so I have to be careful where I'm putting where. But yeah, and that's actually 3. That'll have to be 3 pieces. You've got a 1 piece, a 2nd piece, and then a 3rd piece. Probably do that as a single, and then work my way down there. So yeah, there's that. Hopefully we'll get that accomplished today if it stops raining, or if it doesn't rain. This is day 4 of the build this season, and at the moment it's not raining, but it is forecast again. It's really kind of depressed me now with the rain. Very difficult to do anything because obviously electric tools can't work in the rain. It makes it impossible, so I have to keep stopping. As you can see, that's how far we've got. Didn't film a lot of it yesterday because of the rain. I kept having to run and cover the tools up and grab the camera and whatever, and it just every time it's like 5 minutes and it rained again, 5 minutes and it rained again. I was just what did I get done yesterday? I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joists in, and a little bit here as well done. 5, 6, 7, about 8 joists all day, so really difficult to get done, but hopefully it's going to be raining today. You can see that, and it's forecasted, so hopefully this will be the last of the rain and we should be getting into a dry period of about 3 or 4 days, which we should get a lot done. But even so, even with the rain, I'm hoping to get this blooming floor finished today, or at least the joists in today, and then get this Dimovka, get it covered up, and hopefully get on with the walls tomorrow, hopefully if it stays dry, but we'll see what happens.